Hey everyone, it's Maria here. And today I'll talk about something a little bit different. Is the Prostavive supplement. And why would I talk about the prostate supplement? Well, someone really close to me tried it a couple months ago, and I'll give you my opinion based on my dad's experience. But first, a quick important note. If you're considering Prostavive, be careful where you place your order because Prostavive is only available through their official website. And I've linked that in the description and comments for convenience. This ensures you avoid any imitations, and trust me, this is something you reach upon. So, what exactly is Prostavive? The claims are strong. Better urine flow, active sex life, better sleep, sounds impressive, right? But does it really live up to the hype? So, when my dad mentioned some of his friends were using Prostavive, I decided to research it. He was skeptical, and I confess he was too, but I found countless positive reviews about it, and it's natural, FDA approved, and GMP certified. So, what did he have told us, right? It took me a while, but I convinced him to give it a try. We didn't see any miracles in the first days, and I was ready to give up and admit I was wrong. But as days turned into weeks, the changes became undeniable. He was free, having better sleep, better urine flow, more energy, and he even shared some details about his sex life that I didn't want to know. He was much more confident. But how can Prostavive make this happen? He was bewildered. Well, according to studies, the real reason of prostate issues is the buildup of cells around the prostate. So you need to metabolize the cells to support a healthy blood flow. And that's what Prostavive does. The ingredients inside its formula like Panax ginseng, macabre, and ashwagandha were selected with the skin map. And by improving your blood flow, and Prostavive does this for your entire body, you improve other areas like blood sugar level, sexual life, energy, and many others. And guys, the way I watched my dad transform was something I can't even tell you how it feels. He is a completely different man. And now I can see he wasn't feeling like one before. And everything happened after he started using Prostavive. So that's not a coincidence, Anyways, if you're not sure if it will work for you, the fact that they have a 6-month guarantee will help. Because this way you can test it, and if you're not satisfied, just go for a full refund, no questions asked. So I think that's pretty worth checking out. But again, if you decide to give Prostavive a shot, be careful where you're placing your order. If it's not the official website, they can't guarantee results or give you a refund okay. Remembering the link is in the description and comments. So, whatever you're going through, I hope you'll find a solution, and I really hope Prostavive can do the same for you as it did for my father. Guys, thanks very much for watching, and I see you in the next video.